So girl, can we be honest real quick? Okay. Selling digital products is not supposed to feel like NASA, like you're building NASA from your laptop, okay? If it feels that way, you're doing too much. It's time to stop overcomplicating this and start creating income. I'm talking about simple income in a soft way, okay? You ready to talk about it? Let's talk about it. I remember when I first got into digital products, I was doing the absolute most, trying to design the perfect course, building a funnel, figuring out 17 different tech tools, running ads, writing 20 emails, building an audience. Your girl was tired, and I'm feeling tired just saying that. And I wasn't making the money that I wanted to make. The truth, I was overcomplicating the whole thing. Overcomplicated. Just overcomplicated for no reason. I don't have a reason to give you why I was overcomplicated. I was overcomplicating the whole entire thing. See, I thought making money online had to be hard in order to be real, like to be legitimate, right? But the moment I simplified, everything changed. I stopped trying to build from scratch. Okay. And I found a digital product that was already done, already selling. I plugged into it. I like the business. Okay. I love what I get to do, but I plugged into it and made it work for me. I built a brand around that product. Okay. Not me getting the product and then trying to make it fit into what I thought it should fit. I don't know if that makes sense. But I took the product and said, okay, now I'm gonna build a brand around this product. How you think this soft life business, this soft life CEO stuff came about? Is because of my thinking. Okay. I took the product and I built a brand around that product, and not any brand, a money making brand. So this is what I now teach to women, okay? And I call it my soft life start path. How I build a peaceful, a profitable business from home while I homeschool my kids, be a wife, be a homemaker, doing the things that I like to, just live in my little boring little life that sometimes, no, people don't say that. I'll say that sometimes, my little old boring little life, but I love my life. Okay. I built this business around my life. Okay. Not the other way around. So first off, you got to define your soft life. What does it mean to you? Okay. Before the business comes the vision. Okay. What do you actually want your days to look like? Do you want peaceful mornings? Like, what does that look like? No more rushing. I don't rush. Okay. I take my time. Do you want a laptop income that lets you like live life? Okay. A soft life happens up here before it ever happens out here. Okay. And soft life is not things. It's a way of life. It's how you do things. Okay. As a soft life girly, and what I'm teaching my girls is that when you're building your soft life, you got to define what you want and you become that. Okay. So me living in my soft life girl era did not come until it started here. And I don't care if you're married, you're single, it doesn't matter. This is not about that. Okay. This is not about that, because even as a married woman myself, all of us as wives, if you're watching me, we're all different. We run our households different. We're all different. But you got to define what soft life means for you. Even if you're still working a 9 to 5, how does that look for you? How can you curate a soft life? And here's the thing I tell all women, no matter what type of soft life you want, what that looks like, you need money to do it. You need money to do it. Okay. You need to make money. Okay. And I'm not just, I love it. If you got a 9 to 5, that's great. But I need you to have your own income too. I need you to have a supplement of that income. I need you to have a digital business, because digital is where we are, is where we're staying. We'll be here for a long time, so you might as well be making your coin while you up here scrolling, okay? But define that. What does a soft life mean to you? All right, so step 2, now that you define, you got to invest in a ready-to-sell digital product. I didn't say to invest in coaching. I didn't say invest in a ready to sell digital product. I want you to skip the hustle. Buy the shortcut. I invested in a done for you digital product that pays me $599 per sale. And I did not have to create it from scratch. If it's already selling, it's already valuable, and you can earn 100% profit. That's smart business. Okay, that's smart business. Any smart person, especially if you talk to someone that has ever invested in a franchise, they didn't want to start from scratch. Think about McDonald's. They are franchise worthy, okay? They have a franchise model. People can take their money and go and buy into McDonald's. Why? McDonald's is working. McDonald's has a customer base already. They just got to put up a McDonald's in their city or county, and they got to drive traffic to it. So they got to market it to let people know, hey, this McDonald's is here. And what's going to happen? People are going to go to it. Why? Because people know McDonald's. They already have a customer base. That's the same thing with your digital business. Any digital product that you invest in, all right? Make sure people are already buying it. Okay? And I'm not talking about the name. I'm not talking about the name. I'm just talking about within itself. People are buying these digital businesses, and digital businesses that come with everything you need to have a digital business. It's not only that, you learn from it as well. So I'm going to get into that. That quickly leads me into step 3, is being the product. Okay. You got to believe in what you're selling. Use it. You got to learn it. Okay. Let it shift you. I always say, sell it to yourself first, then share it with the world. That's where confidence comes from. Okay. And confidence is what's convert. That's what's going to bring the money into it. Okay. So whatever digital product you are investing in, make sure you can learn from, you're learning a skill. My digital business, we're teaching you digital marketing skills. You can use it to sell anything you want. Some women come in and just decide, listen, I don't want to resell the business. I'd rather just come in here and learn the skills. And some women do that. Okay. So I'm not telling you have to, resell whatever you buy. There's some things that some digital products I bought just to learn from it. And then it gave me the opportunity to resell it. And sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. But at the same time, I'm learning. And if I decide I want to resell it, then I have that option. No other courses are giving you that here online. Okay. No other people are giving you that unless people decide they want to help. They want to help more people and license out their products. That's the difference, right? But you got to become the product. So we teach you inside of my digital business, which you can make $599 per sale. 2 sales is over $1,000 a day, and I have seen some good $1,000 days. All right, but I'm not selling it just to sell it. You come in and you learn it, you become it. All right, so if you want to learn how to sell anything online, you need to learn these skills, and I got you. I got you. Okay. All right, and then step 4, you're gonna pick your platform, and you're gonna be prolific. Okay, choose one platform. For me, it's YouTube. And then I've learned how to repurpose content to other platforms, which I'll teach you that later. Okay, but I want you to post consistently, not because I'm trying to go viral, but because I'm building trust. Okay, when you show up with value every day, people stop scrolling and start buying. But you got to show up. You got to show up. Now, we teach you over here whether you want to show your face or not. Now, as you see, I'm showing my face. So that's the center of what I teach. However, there are resources that we have that allow you to do a faceless if you want to. All right. But there can be an expectation that you're going to get the quickest result. I think you get the quickest results showing your face. And that's just me. That's me being online for a long time, because people trust you more. They see you. You get to create better content. Now I'm dabbling into faceless too. All right. That's because I built a face forward brand, but you do have that option. So I do want to let you know that. Step 5, you're not going to buy and then just leave. Okay. You're going to stay plugged in. Trying to do this alone, that's a trap. Growth happens in community. I stay plugged into coaching, mentorship, and a supportive group of women and a few good men who get it. Okay. That's what keeps me going, even when I have slow days, because you're going to have slow days, right? And the slow days still make sales. Okay. Because I even got so good with my business that this is not the only thing I'm selling. Okay. I strategically know how to input other income streams in my business so that I'm making money with affiliate income. I'm making money with brand deals. I'm making money in different ways because I built the brand, the know, like, and trust first. So if you're tired of making this complicated, okay, if you want a peace, profitable business, a path that actually works, I made something just for you, okay? It's called the Start Your Own Soft Life Business Master Guide, okay? It's not just a guide for you to read and put it on your Google Drive. It's a full income opportunity, okay? Not only am I teaching you where you'll learn exactly how to set up your own digital product this week, and yes, you can resell the same guide 100% profits. I'm giving you money. I'm giving you your first digital product that you can use so you can see how this all works. And once you get in the hang of it, you're creating your content, put and driving traffic to your guide, because yes, you're going to get the file so that you can change it up for yourself. But you're going to learn first, right? You're going to promise that you're going to go in there and you're going to learn first and decide if you want to build your own digital product. Because I show you how to do that. I also show you how to market your digital product with your face, or there's some faceless content ideas in there too. So I'm helping you to get your jump start. So I'm giving you a product that you can sell and start making money with it this week. So I want you to grab it below or go to mysoftlifebiz.com, get your system set up. I got a video showing you how to do that too. And let's get you started with building your soft life without starting from scratch. Okay. You ready? You got to get ready for me because I got you. Okay. I got your back. And make sure you come back to this video and let me know that you got it. Okay. All right. So like this video, girl, go ahead and hit subscribe and let's grow this soft life movement one digital product at a time. Okay. All right, to the next time. Oh, also hype my video up too. You get that little hype, but hype it up so we can get it out to more soft life girlies, okay? I'll see you in the next video, girl, okay? Bye.